That's it, guys. Roblox is actually shutting down on January 1st, 2024. I just saw it on TikTok and I'm gonna cry. Let me show it.
Bad news. Roblox is shutting down in 2024. So people are sad. How it look like? Roblox is quitting. Like and subscribe, you will miss Roblox.
Oh my god, did you really think that it's true? Roblox won't be deleted. It's just a rumor. Can you believe a billion company just shutting down in one day? And this guy, he was just joking. In my opinion, there is no need to be scared of something.